Agitiriha icera bururi-ini wa Japan. Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto Niekirite hinya urumwe uria ukoretwo ho gatagati ga bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa Japan. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mari unyitaniri-ini na minister mukaru wa bururi wa Japan Kashinda Fumio, Ruto ni augite ati sekta nene ukuri-ini wa bururi wa Kenya ni hamwe na urimi, ugitiri, guteithira maria maturigiceirie na githomo.
Today, Kenya and Japan signed a memorandum of understanding on cooperation in the ICT sector and on the enhancement of capacity of the Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI, to build on its pandemic management potential.
Akiaria ciĩgiĩ ukuria, Ruto ni ongereire ati mabũrũri maya ni matirihite mĩario ya ukuria wa gĩcigo gĩa gĩcũa-inĩ na kũrĩkanĩra kũhinga tabarĩra ĩno nĩguo kuona ati nĩ ciacerithĩirio.
On infrastructure, I am very happy that we have now concluded discussions on the development of Mombasa and the coastal region, including the Mombasa Gateway Bridge, Dongo Kundu Special Economic Zone, and associated infrastructure in the coast region. And we have agreed on an accelerated, time-bound execution plan, as some of these projects had been delayed.
Mwena-inĩ wa ũrĩmi, Mutongoria wa bũrũri augite ati kumana na uteithio wa bũrũri wa Japan, ikeka rĩa kerĩ rĩa tabarĩra ya ũrĩmi wa mũcere mwena-inĩ wa Mwea nĩ ĩrĩkĩte ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya guteithĩrĩria uheani wa irio guothe bũrũri-inĩ.
On agriculture, we acknowledged Japan's support for the completion of phase 2 of Mwea irrigation scheme and the completion of the National Rice Master Plan to cover the entire country as a mechanism of achieving food security in our country and also throughout our continent, with Africa's food security in mind. And I have thanked Prime Minister for all the initiatives he is undertaking on matters food security in our continent.
Ooho, Ruto ni augite ati mabũrũri maya merĩ ni mekiranĩire ngirimiti ya Uiguano ĩrĩa ĩkũguna sekta cia Ukinyaniria, Ugima wa Mwiri o hamwe na Ugitiri.
Additionally, we witnessed the signing of a memorandum of understanding to issue a samurai bond and also a letter of intent with respect to defense cooperation to strengthen our partnership in the field of defense and enable us to work together in promoting peace and stability in Africa and in all maritime trade routes. Nilifotera Muthingi TV, njĩtagwo Derek Gathobe.